and I'm still without my bag.
Team, tomorrow we pick the flight for you.
Right, I am in Kathmandu, Everest Summit, day 3, and I'm still without my bag, my kit bag. It's got everything in it. It's got my boots, my ice axe, my 8,000 meter gear, my socks, my boxers, my clothes. So I really need that bag. So I'm waiting here in Kathmandu, hoping that bag is going to be on today's flight on Indigo, flying from Mumbai to Kathmandu. I will update you as I find out more. So today I'm just getting on with some admin. I might buy a couple of bits in Kathmandu, and this is really going to delay my Everest trip, but you know what, we just have to stay calm, take it on the nose, and hope everything's going to work out okay. When you're in Kathmandu, you've got to have eyes in the back of your head, because there are motorcycles flying in all directions, and cars as well.
Team, tomorrow we pick the flight for you, but unfortunately today there's lots of people stuck in Kathmandu domestic airport. They couldn't fly, so very few people flew to the Lukla airport, and some took helicopters. Hopefully you will fly tomorrow. We have a good ticket, good time, so best of luck for it tomorrow.
Right, okay, the kit bag has arrived. It is arrived. These guys have dropped it off. Here it is, finally here. Very relieved to see my bag. Let's do this. Right, good. Got the bags emptied, and here is all the kit. There's a lot of stuff around. I've got loads to pack, including these amazing real meals. So these are going to keep me going, keep my calories up, and hopefully not lose too much weight. Yes, I've got to get the bags packed now, and we leave tomorrow morning. Right, I'm worried about losing weight, so I'm bulking up on my last night in Kathmandu. Let's do this.